today we have something truly legendary, the return of an icon. The 2025 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is here, and it's bringing back the golden era of American muscle with a modern twist. This car is a tribute to the legendary Trans Am of the past, but with cutting-edge technology. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. The exterior of the 2025 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is nothing short of breathtaking. It retains the aggressive, muscle-bound stance that made the original Firebird a legend, but with a futuristic touch. At the front, a massive blacked-out grille with the iconic Screaming Chicken emblem sits proudly on the hood. The sharp LED headlights give it an intimidating presence, while functional hood vents channel air into the beastly engine underneath. The sculpted body features, aerodynamic enhancements, and the classic Trans Am style fender flares add to its wide, aggressive stance. The gold accented wheels and racing stripes pay homage to the 1970S Bandit Edition, keeping the spirit of the original alive. At the rear, sleek LED taillights, a massive spoiler, and a quad exhaust system complete the look, making sure everyone knows this car means business. Under the hood, the 2025 Firebird Trans Am is an absolute powerhouse. Pontiac has packed a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine into this beast, producing a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower and over 750 lp-ft of torque. That's right, this isn't just a muscle car, it's a full-blown supercar killer. The Firebird Trans Am rockets from 0 to 60 MPH in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed pushing past 200 MPH. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, ensuring precise and rapid gear changes. For the purists, Pontiac is also offering a 6-speed manual transmission, keeping the spirit of classic muscle cars alive. The 2025 Firebird Trans Am isn't just about brute force, it's engineered for handling as well. A state-of-the-art magnetic ride suspension system adapts to every driving condition, providing both comfort and razor-sharp cornering capabilities. The car sits on a lightweight aluminum chassis, improving agility while reducing weight. Brembo performance brakes ensure that all this power is kept in check, providing exceptional stopping power even at high speeds. The steering is tuned for precision, offering an engaging and responsive driving experience. Whether you're on the highway, the drag strip, or carving through mountain roads, the Firebird Trans Am delivers an unforgettable ride. Step inside, and you're greeted with a perfect fusion of modern luxury and classic muscle car heritage. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring premium leather and Alcantara-wrapped sport seats with Trans Am embroidery. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the massive infotainment touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system. A premium Bose audio system delivers an immersive sound experience, whether you're blasting classic rock or enjoying the roar of the V8. The flat belly steering wheel, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting give the cabin a high-performance feel, while modern conveniences like wireless charging and a head-up display add a touch of futuristic tech. Despite its raw power, the 2025 Firebird Trans Am doesn't compromise on safety and technology. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features ensure that you get the best of both worlds, a thrilling muscle car experience with modern safety and reliability. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is expected to start at around $90,000, putting it in direct competition with the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon and the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. However, with its legendary name, jaw-dropping performance, and limited production numbers, this car is bound to become a collector's item. Special edition models, such as the Bandit Edition or track-focused variants, could push the price well over $100,000. So, is the 2025 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am worth it? Absolutely. It revives one of the most legendary muscle cars of all time while embracing modern technology and performance. With its aggressive design, mind-blowing power, and state-of-the-art features, the Firebird Trans Am is more than just a car, it's a statement. That's all for today's review on Car Trend. If you love this deep dive into the 2025 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more epic car reviews. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.